Okay, so hello everyone, I'm Urvi here. I'm the counselor for US and Canada at Advise International. We are going to talk today about study in California, specifically as in why California is one of the important location for you all to choose for study your masters, your undergrad. Just a second. Okay. So yeah, when it comes to study in California, there are a lot of reasons for you all to study and take California as an option. First and foremost is the world-class universities. Secondly, sunny weather. California has a very welcoming weather for welcoming attitude for international students. So other than that, talking about California, California is merely not a single state within the US, it's a country in itself. So, in addition of having world class economy, California offers a wide variety of universities, like 4 of the top 10 universities are located in California. Other than that, California offers wide opportunities of employment for students, for international students. So, with having the tech industry in Silicon Valley to creative arts, entertainment in Hollywood, California is a bundle of everything. It will give you job opportunities in every particular field. So, other than that, when it comes to Silicon Valley is known for having the headquarters of many fortune companies like Facebook, Google, eBay, there is Adobe, Netflix is there, and there are a lot of other companies too. So if you are looking for a state in US which is gonna be affordable and in terms of the weather also, if you're not comfortable with too much of a cold weather, I think so California is one of the best location. It will be less in terms of affordability, where you will pay somewhere around $12,000 to $13,000 for a year for your living. Other than that, budget wise also, like talking about the tuition fee and everything, there are many universities in California which are very affordable. Like you can actually complete your master's program within 40 to 45 lakhs for 2 years. Now this is including of tuition, food, accommodation, everything. Talking about the California state system, the California State University system is been world renowned for its affordability, and at the same time it's quite large, as in there are so many universities which forms a part of the California State University system. So that way, talking about the top universities which are already in California, just to name few of them would be Stanford, Caltech, UC Berkeley, UCLA. Obviously getting into these universities is not that easy. US follows a very holistic approach where they will look at all the factors starting from your grades, your GRE, your GMAT, depending on the program what you are going for, any other extracurricular activities which you possess. So everything is equally important. Now this thing basically today is specifically because on 31st March we are having a fair which is particularly for California. So there are 5 to 6 universities which are going to participate. To name them, it would be California State University Northridge, there is California State University Long Beach, Channel Island, San Francisco State University. You will be able to join the session from the place wherever you are. It's going to be a virtual session. It's going to be from 3 o'clock to 6 o'clock. And before that, if you have doubts and if you have queries, you can come to the Advise branch which is like nearest to you. Take an appointment with the counselor, talk to the counselor, get detailed information about studying in California or any other location, whichever you have decided on. We do counsel for many other countries too. So take an opportunity, come to the Advise office and get your doubts solved. I hope I've covered everything. So Yeah, it's study in California, guys. Try to catch it.